Hello guys, back to our channel.
And today we are going to do a cooking and mini vlog in our house.
Today's meal we're making Alfredo sauce and along with shrimp.
We step out, camera rolling. Good vibes everywhere we going. SEM bang, yeah we glowing. Love so strong and it keeps on growing. Catch the flights, not the stress. New cities, we stay blessed. Laughing loud, fun no.
We're gonna be doing cooking and cleaning.
For that, tuongee na mkiswahili. Leo tutapika Alfredo na shrimps. Na hii ndio video yetu ya vlog number 3. Don't forget to subscribe, y'all.
Twende nalo.
So, let's clean up first and then we're gonna go ahead and cook. Simple guys. Now subscribe kwa channel yetu. Tuko only a few people. We only have 2 people. And the rest of you guys, I don't know what to tell you guys. But anyway.
Je sais pas. Je ne sais pas.
Ilianguka. Thank God. I'm going to fix it here in the dishwasher. I got it from there. What are you doing behind me? Imagine when it's gonna take so long to warm up.
You gotta travel.
From where? Nyarugusu to nani? To Africa. Unajua vile nilichunga hii maji for so long before hivi moto. Nani hii kwa moto ni yote.
Kilungua. Chungu lungua. Ya lungula.
Sio beti.
Inachototo.
Mara jana uliona yaona hiyo video. Why? Is everything alright? Are you okay?
I don't have to look at it. I can hear from my head. I can hear from my head. Una lungula. Hapa na unachototo. Lukaka sasa. Sani gani?
Ya kutia mule makitu. Nilete na kisu. No kisu. Why still have this kichwa? and mgongo thingy. So
Tukula
basically,
nini?
tutafanya smoothie. You don't want to? I know you want to.
Did you put water in it? Why?
Kwa sababu nilitoa zamani long time ago. Baby, makidudu unakuwa so I don't know kama navona kaje. Trust me.
Tutamenya yote.
As much as we want.
Tokomona.
Simekoli. Kama tanjo ayo. The way I be mixing the random songs together is crazy. People like me are rare to find. People like me are people who live like we live life.
Woman, need a DJ when I'm a chef. Very special people to found. I don't disagree with you.
How about DJ? Baby, I wanna you have my unique words. Like everybody keep using chef, why not different one? Why should I talk what everybody talk? Eh?
I don't think you can mix. It's like you go in the club, right? You gonna use. I'm a chef in here.
No, chef, play that song. Hey, I'll say that. Me. You know me well.
Don't worry, Italians. Sita vunja. Suko ule pale.
What's that? You broke it?
Nope.
I told you. Accidents happen.
You look good, baby.
Yeah, I know. It's a song.
Yeah. You want to Billy or just one?
Just one, my love is enough. So guys, here's the shrimps.
Okay.
Haiko vile. Niachi. Covent. How do they say that?
Stand in.
Covent.
What is coven?
Cool.
Couvent?
You want me to do it the same way I did last time?
I don't know what you did last time.
When was amazing, huh?
I wasn't here.
Yeah, my love.
Oh, yeah, nakumbuka.
So, guys, I'm going to fry with the butter instead of oil.
Guys, there.
Yeah, and here's the butter, y'all. Don't listen to him.
You know DJ went to
I'm
Aleo.
the DJ of tonight, and here's the butter. The butter called Land of Lakes.
Huh?
Yeah, parsley flakes. Sejua kiita baby.
This is June.
Natia mo parsley kidogo. My secret ingredients. Pineapple. Sriracha. Sitabambia hata. My secret ingredients. Nisikuwa napigia wawane chocolate kanana ya wanangu. That's how bad, how stingy I am. Usitie maji ya mingi, yani usitie maji at all. Tia tu blender. Afu utie shrimps. Yepeke tamwaga maji.
DJ masiku hizi.
DJ, sura niko narapuka a whole DJ over here. DJ SC on a beat. What is it called again? Broccoli. And then mimi nakatia mo broccolis cause nataka zivyo zote pamoja together we can. Together we are one. Debi na kama zamani na ningali natoka Kongo zamani. English niko najua ni together we are one. Together juu hivyo pole pole na steam, you understand? Nikaonja kidogo guys. Like kuonja is a must, it's very important for your health. You must onja. You do?
Too long.
Zinakuwa so good. Hapa zinaivya. Hazikuivya na rush, zilivya pole pole. Sasa punguza moto. I don't know what to say. And then guys, unatia ile mushrooms. Unaona? Sasa linazimwaga mle ndani. Vidudu ya maji. Kosa. Mnaiona chakula inapendeza. Kavunga. Tia tena juu blend beer.
I'm trying to mix it.
You can mix in the cup since it's already small. What do you think? No?
I need the strawberry in it.
Sasa unaweza mixia mkopo.
Talk about in it.
Haupende konse.
Yes.
Haupende konse and now you think I'm the kichwa nguvu one.
Oh, now you're talking. Yeah.
Ile nyingine iliharibika yote.
Akuka si aibu.
Aibu liwa Yesu. You know how aibu liwa Yesu? Only if he told, angeambia kule nani? Judas. Anambia Judas, I know you're gonna betray me, please.